Intro. Hey there, overwhelmed Jira beginners and experts alike. Today, I'm going to simplify your issue tracking life with a quick and handy tutorial on how to view completed issues in Jira. By the end of this tutorial, you're not just going to know how, you're going to understand why, and that, my friends, is the key to truly mastering anything. Step 1. So let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is open up our Jira platform. Whether that's on your desktop browser or on your mobile device's app, it's the starting point to our problem-solving journey today. Step 2. Next up, we need to find the search bar, which should be located at the top of your screen. This allows us to specifically target and filter through our traffic jam of issues we deal with every day. You don't have to worry if you don't find it immediately, just make sure you're on the main page of your Jira software. By the way, if you aren't, no stress, simply click on the Jira icon and it'll redirect you right back. Step 3. Now this might take a moment, so bear with me here. Look to the right side of your screen and you'll notice a feature saying Filter by Status. Go ahead and give that a click. Why do we do this, you may ask? It's because filtering by status allows us to sort through issues based on their development phase, which is like using a neat sorter to separate your completed tasks from the incomplete ones. This saves a ton of time and avoids confusion. Step 4. Okay, we're nearly there. What you need to do now is click on Done. Just super simple, hit that Done button. Notice how it immediately narrows down your issues only to the completed ones. It's like magic, but it's really just efficient project management. Conclusion. And voila, you've just learned how to view completed issues in Jira. So now, not only do you have the luxury of seeing what has been done, but you also now have a clearer perspective of what needs to be done next. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. With a bit of practice, this will soon become second nature. Remember, learning new things takes time and patience, so don't be too hard on yourself. If you have any questions or are stuck somewhere, drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And hey, if you found this tutorial helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more handy tutorials just like this one. Here's to conquering Jira together. Catch you all next time.